Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? This is Karthik Poovan. I'm a leadership coach and author. How are you? A lot of people have been asking me, Karthik ji, can you please make a video on how do I come out of my insecurity feelings? How do I come out from the feeling of negativity? How do I come out from the feeling of inferiority complex? Well, the first thing that you got to understand is if you're feeling inferior, that means you are identified with something. And in comparison to something, you are feeling inferior. How can you feel inferior without being identified? So the fundamental reason that you have to get into your brain is the problem is not inferiority complex. The problem is limited identity and comparison. The moment you are identified with something, let's say you are identified with your country, and the moment you will see another country which is more progressive, you will naturally feel inferior in comparison to the other country in terms of development. Suppose you are identified with a particular caste, you are identified with a particular religion, you are identified with a particular creed, then that very moment what begins to happen is you begin to feel inferior in comparison to something which is more better than what you are. And that's when you try to pull down the other person, you try to do nasty things. You see what is all happening. What do you feel? What are religious crimes? It's nothing but one person wants to prove another religion greater than the other religion, isn't it? So everything you need to understand, the problem of all kinds of inferiority complex sums up and is born from one fundamental womb, which is called the womb of identity. Until and unless you are destroying all identities and you begin to function as a full-fledged human being, then you will begin to understand that everything and every problem and every inferiority complex in you is absolutely eliminated. And that is when the true potential of what you call as you begins to happen. When the true potential of what you call as yourself begins to happen, there is an absolute fragrance which begins to emanate from your being. There is a glow in your face, and this does not go unnoticed. Have a great day and live a life with absolutely no levels of insecurity. Great day.